Remember, I did a video about reasons why women don't initiate sex in a relationship, and also promised to bring another video about how you can make them to initiate sex. Now, sticking to my promise, here you are. 5 ways to make your woman initiate sex in a relationship and even in marriages as well. Number 1, build trust and emotional connections. A strong bond between you and your partner lays the foundation for a healthy and satisfying sex life. To make your woman more likely to initiate sex, ensure that you consistently communicate openly and honestly with her. Encourage her to share her thoughts, feelings. I'm talking about sexual feelings and sexual desire without judgment, and be an active listener when she speaks. This will create a safe and nurturing environment in which she will feel comfortable expressing herself, expressing her desire. Now, 2, create sex atmosphere. Now, promote a culture of openness and acceptance around sexuality in your relationship. Encourage discussions about sexual desires, sexual fantasies, and preferences, and make it clear that both of you are free to explore and experiment. By fostering a sex-positive atmosphere, you empower your woman to feel more confident in initiating sex, as she will know that her desires are respected and valued. Now, number 3, prioritizing her sexual pleasure. One of the most effective ways to encourage your woman to initiate sex is by prioritizing her sexual pleasure. During intimate moments, focus on her needs and desires and communicate with her to ensure that she's enjoying herself. Taking the time to understand her body and what stimulates her will make her feel valued and desirable, increasing the likelihood that she will initiate sex in the future. Now, 4, encourage her to express herself. Give your woman the space to express herself sexually, whether it be through verbal communication or non-verbal cues or physical acts. Encourage her to take the lead in the bedroom and demonstrate her desires, and be respectful to her suggestions by providing supportive environment for her to explore her sexuality. And you will increase her confidence and make her more likely to initiate sex. Now, 5, develop a strong sense of attraction. Maintaining a strong sense of attraction between you and your partner is crucial for a healthy sex life. Make an effort to keep things fresh and exciting by trying new activities, dressing up for dates, and expressing your love and appreciation for her. A strong sense of attraction will make your woman feel desired and desirable, increasing the likelihood that she will initiate sex. In conclusion, making your woman more likely to initiate sex requires a combination of trust, emotional connections, open communications, and a strong sense of attraction. By fostering a supportive and sex-positive environment, prioritizing her pleasure, and encourage her to express herself, you will create foundation for a satisfying and fulfilling sex life. Finally, this is how I end this video. Please subscribe, like, comment, and share for more relationship content like this. My name is ODOPAHENE once again, and here is ODOPAHENE TV. I'll see you in my next video.